Apple's next big thing is coming, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. New design, new chip, next-level camera system, and maybe even a foldable companion. In this video, we'll cover every major detail, leaks, specs, price, and release date you need to know about Apple's most powerful iPhone yet. Vista cortem. iPhone 18 Pro Max. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to be Apple's true flagship for 2026. It will continue the Pro Max legacy but with major upgrades, a faster A20 chip built on the new 2nm process, a revolutionary 200-megapixel camera, and possibly the first under-display Face ID system on an iPhone. Let's start with design. According to multiple leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a refined titanium body, thinner bezels, and an even more edge-to-edge display. Apple may finally remove the dynamic island by embedding Face ID sensors under the screen, leaving only a small camera punch hole or possibly a clean all-screen design. The display size is likely to remain around 6.7 inches, but now with an upgraded LTPO Super Retina XDR panel supporting up to 2600 nits brightness and 1 Hz, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Expect smoother scrolling, sharper HDR, and better outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to use Apple's brand new A20 Bionic chip, built on TSMC's 2nm architecture. That means incredible performance boosts, improved AI processing, and even better battery efficiency. The A20 chip could bring up to 30% faster performance compared to the A18 Pro, and a huge leap in graphics for gaming and AR. Now, let's talk cameras, where Apple always shines. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max will introduce a 200-megapixel main camera sensor designed for ultra-detailed photography. Apple is reportedly working with Sony for this new sensor, with a variable aperture system to adapt automatically to lighting conditions. The triple lens setup may include 200MP wide, main sensor 48MP ultra-wide lens, 48MP periscope telephoto with up to 10x optical zoom, and of course, new AI photography modes, better low-light processing and improved ProRes video up to 8K 60fps. The iPhone 18 Pro Max may feature a larger 4500 mAh battery, with the new energy-efficient A20 chip for even longer battery life. There's also talk of MagSafe 2.0, offering faster wireless charging speeds, and a completely portless design, no Lightning, no USB-C, only wireless data and charging. It will ship with iOS 20, bringing smarter AI integration across the system. Think advanced Siri, real-time translation, and on-device generative AI tools. There are also rumors of improved satellite connectivity for emergency messaging and possibly direct satellite internet for remote areas. So, when is it coming and how much will it cost? According to leaks, Apple will announce the iPhone 18 Pro Max in September 2026, alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and possibly a new iPhone Fold. Pricing is expected to start at around $1,299 USD for the base 256GB model, going up to nearly $1,699 USD for the 1TB variant. The iPhone 18 Pro Max looks set to redefine Apple's flagship lineup, with a 2nm chip, upgraded camera, and sleek bezel-less design. If you're waiting for a major iPhone leap, 2026 might finally be the year. What do you think? Will the iPhone 18 Pro Max be worth the upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. Great. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech updates and leaks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.